How much should you really spend on a Rollator walker? Because I've seen people drop over $200 and still return it, while others grab one under $90 and swear by it. The truth is, price doesn't always tell the full story, and today we're cutting through the noise to find what actually delivers. Product number 1, Vocic Z21 Ruby Red. First up is the Vocic Z21 in Ruby Red, a sleek modern rollator that caught my eye with its bold color and promise of all-terrain performance. Priced at $88.81, it's positioned as a premium-feeling walker without the premium price tag. If you want comfort, stability, and easy storage in one package, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels are a big deal. Most budget walkers come with 6-inch ones that struggle on gravel or uneven sidewalks. These bigger wheels actually roll over bumps instead of getting stuck. Plus, the ergonomic arc seat with 1.6-inch waterproof padding feels noticeably more supportive than flat, thin seats on cheaper models. The dual height adjustment is a game changer too. Handles adjust across 5 levels, 31.5 to 36.6 inches. And the seat has 3 settings, 20 to 22 inches, so whether you're 411 or 63, you won't be hunching or stretching. It folds in 3 seconds and fits in a car trunk, which is huge for travel or visits to the doctor. Now, some people complained about the weight limit being listed as 350 pounds, but the fine print recommending under 330 pounds. Here's the thing though, that's still solid for most users, and the aluminum frame keeps it lightweight at just 19.4 pounds. If you're close to that upper range, just double-check your needs, but for average use, it's reliable. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty support beyond 330 pounds or prefer a wider seat. For under $90, it's one of the best value picks out there. Product number 2, HOMLAND Foldable Walker. Next is the HOMLAND Foldable Rollator, slightly pricier at $114.19, but it brings some serious upgrades. What stood out immediately was the memory foam seat and reinforced double support frame. If you want maximum comfort and peace of mind on longer walks, this one's built to deliver. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The memory foam seat is wider and noticeably plusher than standard padding. Great if you plan to sit for more than a few minutes at a time, like waiting for a bus or resting in the park. The frame uses thickened tubing and dual support bars, giving it a sturdy feel that inspires confidence, especially on inclines. The braking system has 3 modes: free roll, slow down, and full stop, which is perfect if you have weaker hands or need extra control on slopes. Plus, the fully enclosed folding mechanism prevents pinching, a small but thoughtful safety detail. At 20.4 pounds, it's not the lightest, but the trade-off is durability. Now, some users mention the seat height adjustment isn't as smooth as expected. You have to lift and reposition rather than use a quick lever. Here's the thing though, it's still adjustable across a wide range, 47 to 66. And once set, it stays secure. It's not a deal breaker, just a minor hassle during setup. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and stability over ultra-lightweight design. Skip this one if you need something you can lift with one hand frequently. For around $115, it's a strong choice for daily, longer use scenarios. Product number 3, Medline Steel Walker. Now, if HOMLAND's memory foam felt like overkill, the Medline Steel Rollator might be your sweet spot. At just $82.47, it's the most affordable on this list, but don't let the price fool you. This burgundy walker packs serious value. If you want reliable basics without frills, this is a no-nonsense workhorse. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The steel frame supports up to 350 pounds and feels rock solid, which is great if you want something that won't wobble. The 6-inch wheels are smaller than the others, but they roll smoothly on flat surfaces like indoor floors or paved paths. Just don't expect them to handle gravel or curbs easily. The padded seat and backrest are simple but effective, and there's a handy storage pouch underneath for a water bottle or small bag. The push-up-to-break design is intuitive, even for users with arthritis, and the whole thing folds flat in seconds. Now, some people complained about the lack of terrain versatility, and they're right. These 6-inch wheels struggle off-road. Here's the thing though, if you mostly use it indoors or on smooth sidewalks, that's not a problem. It's not built for trails, but for home and neighborhood use, it shines. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable, budget-friendly walker for everyday indoor and light outdoor use. Skip this one if you frequently walk on uneven ground or need frequent seat adjustments. For under $85, it's a steal for basic mobility support. Product number 4, Vocic Z21 Klein Blue. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for style and function, the Vocic Z21 in Klein Blue. Same model as the first, just a different color, but it's worth mentioning because this version has been tested by more users and holds up just as well. If you liked the ruby red but want something that stands out less, this blue is sleek and professional. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has all the same strengths: 8-inch all-terrain wheels, 3-second folding, dual height adjustments, and that ultra-comfortable bionic seat. The breathable backrest is a lifesaver on warm days, and the reflective strips on the wheels and bag add real safety value for evening walks. The aluminum build keeps it light at 19.4 pounds, making it easy to lift into a car or carry upstairs. And with 2,000+ buyers in the past month, it's clearly resonating with real users. Now, some people noted the seat cushion, while thick, can feel a bit firm at first. Here's the thing though, it softens with use, and the waterproof cover is easy to wipe clean, which is a big plus for long-term maintenance. It's not plush like memory foam, but it's supportive and durable. This is perfect for you if you want high functionality with a modern look and don't mind a slightly firmer seat. Skip this one if you need maximum cushioning or a wider seating area. At $88.81, it's a repeat winner, just in a cooler color. Product number 5, Drive Medical Walker. Finally, the Drive Medical Rollator, a classic red walker with a no-frills approach. Priced accessibly, though exact cost isn't listed, it's competitive. This one focuses on simplicity and reliability. If you want a trusted brand name with straightforward functionality, this is a safe bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7.5-inch wheels are a nice middle ground, bigger than Medline's 6-inch but not as aggressive as the 8-inch models, making them great for both indoor maneuvering and light outdoor use. The steel frame is sturdy and supports 350 pounds, and the fold-down backrest lets you customize support when sitting. The underseat pouch is spacious enough for a small bag or essentials, and the ergonomic handles reduce hand strain. It weighs 17.9 pounds, lighter than HOMLAND, making it easier to lift. Now, some users mentioned the brakes aren't as responsive as higher-end models. You need to push up firmly to engage. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it's reliable, and the locking mechanism holds well on flat ground. It's not for steep hills, but for daily use, it's effective. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced, easy-to-use walker from a reputable brand. Skip this one if you need advanced braking or all-terrain wheels. For the price, it's a dependable everyday companion. So which Rollator walker should you buy? If you want the best overall value, the Vocic Z21 in either color delivers comfort, portability, and terrain ability for under $90. Need maximum cushioning? Go with HOMLAND. On a tight budget, Medline's steel frame is hard to beat, and if you want trusted simplicity, Drive Medical holds its own. There's no one-size-fits-all, but now you know exactly which one fits your life.